Thank you for buying this 15243 tool cabinet from Fixture Displays. In this short video, we're going to show you all the details about this tool organizer to make sure you make informed decisions before you purchase this unit, or help you put this together after you purchase this nice tool organizer. These are all the hardware and tools come with this purchase. You have the handle, a few peg wall hooks, and hardware. It comes in just like that after unboxing. It's fairly heavy. It's about close to 60 pounds. To begin, you want to loosen the four large screws. That would detach the smaller unit inside. Now we're ready to install four casters. One of the wheels is a locking wheel. You can determine where to put that locking caster depending on how you are using this unit. Now we're ready to remove the small or upper unit from the side access door. We're going to unscrew the two screws, and once you take this upper cabinet out, you can put the access panel back if you so choose. The dimensions of the upper unit is 23.6 inches, front to back is 10 inches, and the height is just about 13.6 inches. Whereas the opening is just a hair bigger than that. It is about 10.6 inches by 15 inches. Now the keys are the upper cabinet and lower cabinet keys are separate. They do not share. You cannot open both with one key. Now each of the drawer come with a anti-slip mat, and these are the stoppers to prevent the shelves from sliding during shipping. We're going to introduce you some dimensions of these drawer units. The smallest drawer is about 6 inches wide, and there are three of those. So 5.9 inches wide by 8.8 inches deep, and the height is about 1.37 inches height. The small drawer, the longer one, is 20 inches wide, 8.8 inches deep, and 1.37 inches tall. The large drawer, or we may call that medium drawer because the one in the base is even larger, is 20 inches wide, 8.8 inches deep, and 2.76 inches tall. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. The large drawer is 20 inches wide, 11.6 inches deep, and 2.76 inches tall. The entire bottom cabinet is about 24.5 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 29 inches tall overall. The space inside you can use for storage of many other tools or items that you need to keep around. The dimensions of this space is 24 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 13.8 inches tall. The overall height of this unit is right about 42 inches. And we know the width is right about 24, and front to back is about 13 inches. While you're on fixturedisplays.com, I encourage you to browse many other business and consumer products we have to offer. Now we're going to show you how to put on the handle. It's pretty self-explanatory. Fasten 4 screws. The handle itself is about left to right about 7.8 inches wide. And these hooks help you just hang the items around. The hole-to-hole distance is 1.38 inches. So you may not be able to find a standard peg wall hook to fit that, but these provided hooks are really nice and handy. The handle spacing is about 1.38 inches, so it'll fit most hands comfortably. If you buy multiple units, the keys between Unit 1 and Unit 2 are unique. In other words, you're going to need to manage 2 sets of keys. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.